WASH-BRITE super concentrated liquid laundry detergent powers through to dissolve and remove dirt and soils with a pleasant fragrance in demanding commercial laundry environments. The biodegradable, non-ionic, and anionic system is safe for use on all types, colors, and compositions of washable fabrics in all temperature settings. WASH-BRITE can be used in large capacity commercial washing machines, top and front loading automatics, and washer-dryer combo units, making WASH-BRITE the ideal option for uniform and linen laundry services, hotels, resorts, hospitals, and elder care facilities.